In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate business ideas with Grok, Startup Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. This is where we'll do everything. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection so your session doesn't time out while you're exploring ideas. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. It's quick, and while it isn't strictly required, being signed in helps your conversations and drafts stay synced, so you can come back later and pick up where you left off. If you prefer to explore first, you can still follow along and decide to sign in once you've found ideas you want to keep. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. Think of it as your brainstorming partner. The layout is simple. The conversation area takes most of the screen, and your messages appear in a threaded flow, so you can build on each response without losing context. Right in the middle is the chat bar. This is where you'll type your prompts. Don't worry about perfect wording. Grok is designed to understand plain language. The key is to be clear about what you want and who you're building for. Start by asking Grok to generate ideas. For example, create or generate me business ideas. That will get the brainstorming started. To get much better results, add a little context. You can mention your interests or skills, the industries you're curious about, your target customers, location, budget range, and the kind of business model you prefer. If you have reference images, mock-ups, or market snapshots, you can include those as well. Only share materials you're comfortable with. Avoid anything confidential. Once Grok returns initial suggestions, guide it to go deeper. Tell it exactly what more detailed means to you. You might ask for short descriptions, the core customer problem each idea solves, what makes it unique, basic revenue streams, and a simple go-to-market plan. You can also ask Grok to sort the ideas by feasibility or startup cost, or to tailor them for solo founders versus small teams. If you're comparing options, ask for pros and cons, or for a quick scoring table based on criteria like demand, complexity, and time to launch. Keep iterating in the same chat so Grok remembers your context. Refine by saying things like, focus on ideas under a small budget, or adjust these for a local market. In a few rounds, you'll have a short list of practical, well-structured business ideas that fit your goals. And that's all you need to start generating strong startup concepts with Grok.